Lie flat on your back. Keep your legs and arms extended. Bring your knees together and hold with both hands. Stay in this posture for about 1 minute while breathing normally. Every time you exhale, make sure you tighten the grip of your hands and increase the pressure on your chest. Just lose the grip while you inhale. Repeat this posture for 5 times a day. Benefits: this posture improves your digestive system by massaging abdominal muscles and internal organs. It cures constipation and releases internal trapped gas. It strengthens your back and neck muscles. It also stimulates your reproductive organs.